Yes, good. Let me share the screen. Good morning, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Nice. I'm good. Now, let's see what we have done in the previous class. Till now, we have started basic of React. Mostly, we understood what is React, how to start React, how to create a first functional component. We are in the basic stage. Today and tomorrow, you will get it more and more clarity on it. Okay. Now, as usual, we will start with a simple brainstorm session, and then I will see whatever the sites you guys have done. Then we'll move forward. Is this clear, ma? Yeah. I think yesterday we did have some question, na? We had it some thought experiment, right? Yeah. Okay. So today we will have some open question. Usually the questions are two types, open and closed questions. Basically, closed question means only single answer or some answers will be there. For example, what is 2 plus 2? It's 4. That's it. Single closed question. Open questions will have it like different answers. It depends on humans. Like, for example, what do you think of morning sunrise? Each one will think of different logic. Okay. So their own, that is open question. So let me give you one simple open question and anyone can participate. The question is so simple, ma. Online, are you all getting my point? Online, are you all getting? Yeah. You also participate online. I want you to respond it. Now, let's start here. The question is, will or can AI replace developers? Why? I am just asking you yes or no with why. If you are saying yes, why do you think yes? If you are saying no, why do you think no? I just wanted to check it like how you guys think. Simple. Someone said no. Yeah, no. Why? Very good. True. AI cannot think like humans. Any example? You have observed anything like AI can't do kind of thing? Give literal, huh? Perfect. True. Any other? That one I 100% agree. Okay. Any like other opinions? Someone in the online gave me like AI can't give better code compared to humans. That I agree. Someone gave it like someone should be there on how to operate and use it. Not specifically. I'm sure in future automated AIs will come, which can work on if someone just click on it. But that is true actually. Someone is like yes, but not 100%. But that was also right. Any other? But AI can develop applications fast. With the AI, using AI, you can develop fast. That is really good. It's not creative enough to design in a specific manner. 100% right. You can't create it in a specific designed one. That is true. Any other? You guys are using AI na? You all used ChatGPT ma? No na. Ah, seriously. You all used this Grok? Grok in Twitter it's there na? Claude. Claude is also one of the good AI. Okay. Gemini. Actually, Gemini recent version is so good. AI is developed by humans, so it cannot beat human minds. That is not a good argument. Obviously, AI, see, take it like this example. Computer is also developed by humans only. It's way faster. That itself is our logic. Calculator beats the humans with some kind of logics, calculations. Maybe some peoples were so good at calculations, but most of the humans calculators beat. But especially in the programming, I'm thinking about developers. Programming, someone said it like humans have creativity and problem solving. That is absolutely correct. AI's creativity is limited because do you know that to create something like we think it like array we can't think much nicely, but actually when you think na, so many nerves in your mind will work, so many neurons will work, and you have so many factors based on the way you rise, based on the environment you have seen, based on the people you talk, based on the books you read, based on movies you watched. Everything matters, and based on that only your thoughts will come. Based on that only your creative work will come. If I give a pencil and a paper, if I ask you to draw, every one of you will draw differently. But every AI will draw same. And that makes the people different from the AI. The AI is like Devin or something kind of one comes also, it doesn't replace the human beings. People may claim it that AI can gonna kind of big deal, but actually see, I am thinking in a kind of, a reversed way. When AI is increasing, AI will gonna use obviously the source codes. AI will go to the internet and like will check it GitHub or something, whatever open source code is there, AI will use it. When more and more AI code comes, imagine so many freshers using AI code everywhere. AI code is there, using AI code, they are developing applications and all. After certain time now, all applications will have the security errors and problems because all are using the open source code or AI codes. Then at that time, we need one nice guy to fix it. Imagine everywhere people are using laptops. You know who will get it the business? The person who repairs the laptops, persons who sells laptops, the persons who take care of the laptops, or the persons who do the softwares of the laptops, right or not? The same way, when AI comes Online is my voice is clear now at least. Online is my voice is clear. Yes, yes, yes. So obviously AI won't replace the human beings, but AI makes the process very faster. And human beings now used to concentrate on bigger scale. For example, sir, React. I know how to create a React counter application. छोड़ दो counter application React create करता. 1 lakh people are opening your counter website in the same time. How do you optimize that performance? My counter website is loading in 7 seconds. No, how do you make it in 1 second? I created an e-commerce website. 1 lakh people are opening my e-commerce website and clicking on add to cart at the same time. How does all payments will work? How they will work? How they will not break? So many people are coming to my chat app and they all are typing same thing. How this particular database take it all requests at a time? These kind of real problems will come more and more bigger in future. The person who knows the knowledge in depth, who can able to solve these kind of problems, will be in a kind of good position. Are you getting my point, ma? like some new people will come, the chota freshers, they will be like, okay, I wanted to be an entrepreneur. Those people, what they will do, they will just go to the AI, they will just ask it like how to create a chart app. AI will show you some ways and they will create it and it will work in their system. 100% in your local host, everything will work. So they will upload it into the real website. So many people will open it. They will try to chart one by one. And when they are getting more and more load, then they will get more and more problems. Even real websites like Facebook and all also will stop sometimes. I think you remembered some days back at, I think, night, suddenly the Meta stopped. The Insta, the WhatsApp, everything stopped at one point. One day will come where any website might have it a problem. And the moment it comes, you should able to fix it. Imagine you are in a company, the company has some problem. The imagine immediately you should able to fix it. You can't ask Google now. You can't ask the ChatGPT, "Arey, my website got crashed, tell me." Then the ChatGPT will ask, "पूरा website का code बताओ." पूरा website का code कैसा बताता? Are you getting my point? So if you know immediate things na, it will be easy. That is the problem with it. Like for example, when you are cooking, like your mom or grandma, those people will know by smell only, like which one is good, which one is not good. They know how much salt to add, how much sugar, kind of spice to add, whatever. They know it just by kind of, with the hand only they will know by their experience. But people like me needed a grams, exactly 2 spoons only, isn't it? And there comes to the people like the real developers and the ChatGPT developers. ChatGPT developers needs it everything. Oh, ये B. Real developers ये छोड़ दो, ये भी छोड़ दो, कुछ लिखो कुछ नहीं होता. And that is what I want from you guys also. From now onwards, focus on everything in depth. You are learning Python, अच्छा है. Python में एक छोटा print hello बोला है. वो छोड़ दो, print hello बोल, anyone can do. वो logic कर रहा है, वो logic anyone okay. That logic exactly how underneath it is working. Python compiler PyCharm is there. You click on it, PyCharm, that PyCharm is working this run. Okay. PyCharm कैसा work कर रहा है? वो Python count, और PyCharm count बना दिया. वो कैसा बना दिया? How you can make it a PyCharm like that? How that compiler is taking your code and converting it? What is the mechanism, architecture? Are you getting my point, ma? The more depth you go, the more better you will become. Is this clear? Yeah, that's a thought today, so that you can start our next ones. Online, is it clear, ma? Can we start? Yeah. Now let's go here. Today's one. File, open folder. I will just show you what we have done, then I can see your websites. Name React. Now Yesterday we discussed components. Components. What is a component, everyone? What is a component, ma? Reusable UI. Very good. Your whole UI will be divided into small parts which can be reusable. That is called component, like your Lego pieces. How many types of components are there in React? Two types. What are they? Functional and class. Which one React will prefer? Functional. Functional components return the value. Okay. And the return value, this function component is in what format? JSX format. What is the format? JSX format. JSX can return how many elements? One. JSX can return only one. What if I have more than one? Keep it in a container. Keep it in a container. And in JSX, if I wanted to write JavaScript, curly braces. What if in JSX I wanted to write HTML, parenthesis. And in JSX, always style will be object. Always style will be object. Online, any question, ma? No. And yesterday we discussed nested components. Nested components bole to one component inside another component. To show you the reusability of components, I created one code. Components inside this SRC, inside this app. Now app contain one component. What is the component name? Movie line. And inside the movie line, I have something called movie. And inside the movie, I have the movie. And my output is this terminal, new terminal, CD React, CD components, npm rundev. And this is what I did in the last class. Does any one of you created any app using this logic? Does anyone of you have any link to show? Give me ma. Good. Book NIT store .netlify.app. Even online I have some links. Good. Netlify.app. So you did it nicely. Free shipping, orders above something, our best sellers. You put it books. Good. And they are having good CSS. Only the thing is you are printing the same because we discussed that only. Today we will discuss how to print it different. No. I didn't line by line nested one. Five book lines. It is giving error. No, it won't give any error. I will check the code. Okay. After the class, I can check the code. Any other? Like, let me see. No, sir, but I did another login form. You can see, you can show me anything, ma. Not only this. See, this one is also looking very beautiful using the React. Really good. Nice. Login form. Register also, if you do, it would be better. Nice. Image is very nice. Next. Veda apparel. Okay, this guy actually used it each one different, which we will didn't discuss, but this one is good. Having something apparels ones. Next. Another one. Login form I opened already. Friendly. Medovic. What is this? Oh, this is my thing only. You just put the same thing only. Including image also you used the same, right? Any other? That's it. Offline only one. Tell me, sir. Huh? Sujit? Gray. Tree. Three. SUG. Double ED. Netlify. Dot app. Welcome to Sky Shoe. You put it shoes. That was really good. Cavalli Snickers. Good. Next one. Bolo re. That's it. No one else done. Huh? How many of you done but not uploaded? Done but not uploaded. That was nice. So remaining people not even done. Huh? Bolo, bolo. BTS. Very good. Uh, world got two viruses. One is Corona, another one BTS. I don't understand it. See, I love K dramas. I love to watch. I watched almost on Netflix all K dramas whenever they come. But I still don't understand BTS. Anyway, it's not our thing. It's girls' ka area. Any other, sir? I'm coming. Just a minute. React. B E React Bean. Netlify dot app. React Bean one. Correct only. REACTBEAN one dot netlify dot app. Check. Just B. One is not there. Oh, you put Mr. Bean. Cartoon collection is going on. So same like I put movie line, you put this particular cartoon name and you put Mr. Bean repeat. That was good. Good. At least you understand nested components. Perfect. Next one. Why one by one now they are coming? Earlier they are like, no, no, we don't wanna come. Now they are like BTS inspired everyone. New GEN. New Gen Dev. New Gen Dev. Dev 2. Online, if anyone is having anything, you can tell me. All of that. You watched it, it was so good actually. I was it. It's so good. You put it movies, web series, podcast, anime. Good. Nice logic. Next one. Tell me someone is saying here. No? Anyone else? Sudhakar. THIRD. THIRD. Online his voice is coming, ma. Online, can you hear me? Online his voice is coming. For some persons, online can't hear. Why jobs are not available for freshers? Many I wanted only something. देखो freshers को job मिलता है. It's like if you are not getting fish, you shouldn't put the font problem. Red notice. Good. Same. You changed the movie name and movie image. Good. Nice. Next. Any other? First app. First app. P. P. Dot netlify. Dot app. Hey, background re. That Netflix ka background he took. He changed it. He put here buttons, login, sign up, login, sign up, go down. He put it here, 3 images, 3. He put it a same component. He took same component and repeated 3 times. And he used one nice background. This is really good. Next. Next one. GSV. GSV component dot netlify dot app. Welcome to cricket games, GSV games. Okay. Cricket game. Game. Good. Perfect. And I love that CSS also. This was good. Next. Okay, but it's actually better than the yesterday one. But so many people came. Nice. Now let's see. Let's see today about it more and more about. See, to understand component, you need to understand 3 things. How the components will be nested, how the components pass the data from one point to another point, how the components kind of, update the state values, rendering and all. Once you understand this component state prop, you will understand about the component completely. We will understand it, what is prop, what is state, then whole functional component will be over. Same program we will create it using class components also. Then we will discuss class components clearly. Then we will come to the other next topic. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Let's go here. Let's see. Here in our logic, there is one component. Inside this, and another components are there. Imagine something is like this. Now, inside one component, 3 components are there. Now, actually, inside one component, another component repeated 3 times to say correctly. Right or not? The outer component is called parent component. Online also. What is this outer one is called? Parent component. Inner one is called child component. What is the inner one is called? Child component. Parent component will call the child component. Automatically child component will display. Parent component can send the values to child component also. Parent component can send the values to child component also. That is called props. What is it called? Props. Props is like a short form of properties. Short form of properties. Parent component sends properties to child component. Now, everyone tell me, in this example, app here, in this one, what is parent component? Very good. What is parent component? App. What is child component? Correct. Go here. Go to movie line. Here, what is parent component? movie line. What is child component? Movie. Online is voice is clear, ma? Why I'm not getting any responses? Yeah. Okay. Now let's start here. Let's discuss more. Now, sir, you are calling 4 movies, but each time I want to send new values. I'm sending it here while calling that particular one wherever you are writing. You will give a property. I'm giving a property. What is the name I'm giving property? Title. What is the name I'm giving, ma? Title. Title. I will give it here. One time I'm giving title triple R. One time I'm giving title KGF. One time I will give title Salar. Let's give one time title Pushpa. So total 4 titles I gave. Each time one title I sent. Right or not? Who is sending the values? Parent component. Who is sending the values? Who is the parent component here? Correct. Who should receive the values? Who should receive the values? Child component. What is the child component here? Movie. Still have any doubts? The values which are sent by parent to child component is called props. What are they called? Props. Props is a short form of properties. Now, sir, can I send it any more values? Yes, you can send it how many values you like. Now, here, now I will go to the movie. Always props is a object. Props is a object. Now, you will write it. This is a function, like how the function receives parameters, like that child component receives the properties. Like how the function receives a parameter, child component receives the properties. Now, child component have one property. Okay. What is the property name child component is getting? Title. What is the property name? The title will be inside the props. Props contain one. Props is a object. ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर एक की है टाइटल उसका वैल्यू है whatever the value you give. Now if I print here console.log, no, console.log title props dot title, props के अंदर टाइटल है वो वैल्यू चाहिए. Everyone see this code, see this simple one. Key value it is. It will store it like keyword, key value. Now everyone see this. First time here, how many times movie is going? 4 times. First time, what it will print props dot title. Second time, what it will print props dot value title KGF. Third time, what it will print props dot title. Fourth time, what it will print props dot title. Right now? Now go here. Let's make it more interesting. Sir, anyway, you have that value. Props dot title is having a value. Props dot title is having a value. Can anyone tell me how to print the dynamic value here? How to print dynamic value in HTML ma? Curly braces. So you will go here. Squid Game को छोड़ दो. Curly braces करो. Value किसके अंदर है माँ? Props dot title. Now anyone see the output? cd react, cd components, npm run dev. We will write the notes also, don't worry. Everyone see, am I getting same name now? Am I getting same name, ma? No. I'm getting 4 times 4 different names. I'm getting 4 times 4 different names. Why I'm getting 4 times 4 different names? Means 4 times parent passed the child 4 different values. They passed the values with a value called key. Key is title. Key is title, value is the title value, whatever it is. So child will receive them using an object called props. And that object के अंदर key is title, value is whatever the. I'm just printing props dot title. Any doubts here? Online, anyone have any question? Now, can you tell one more time where the prop file is there? Like one more time. This props here you are calling movie. When you call movie, it will come to movie na? And whatever you are sending it here, all the values, it will combine them as a object. Here you are sending one value only, but you can send it multiple values also na. All the values you are sending, it will convert it as an object and it will receive. That name is props. Name is props. Sir, can I give any other name? Actually, you can give any name. Okay. X. कुछ नहीं होता. X is props only. But if I give X later, you will get confused. वो X क्या है? किधर लिखा वो पूरा? That's why I'm just writing props. What if title is dynamic? Title is dynamic only na now. Title is not static. Every time title is coming different values only na. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Inside movie line also you can make it dynamic. Now, sir, what you can do more interesting? Let me give it here one array. Const. Now you guys will understand it in depth. Now const one movies, one array I'm creating. In this array, I'm creating here one object. उसके अंदर title है. Title triple R. अच्छा है. Next. Or again title KGF. Now next title Salar. Title Pushpa. Now total I have one array. I created one array. Array contains 4 objects. Array contain 4 objects. Each object contain title and the value. Anyone have doubt in this array? Anyone have doubt in this array? No. Now in this array, how many values are there? Now I want to print that all 4 values in a array. Anyone tell me how to print array values? How to print array values? For each you can use or map you can use. But everything in React you should return. Can I use for each? Can I use for each per return ma? No. Why? For each will not return. You remember that's why in JavaScript classes I told for each ka map ka difference in JavaScript revision. Map will return. So very simple, sir. No need to write it 4 times this map of movie. ये छोड़ दो. Who will write it 4 times array? Write it JavaScript. JavaScript के अंदर. What is the array name? Movies. Movies dot map. Map will take it one callback function. I'm writing one callback function. This callback function map will take it always two values. First one is the value. First one is the, second one is the index. Now, online, if anyone have any question, you can tell me, ma. Sir, is it JSON object? Who said it is JSON object? It's a normal object. Is title is in quotation marks ma? See, देखो JSON object का normal value का difference है. JSON object बोले तो इधर भी quotation आता. Normal object will not have it. That's the difference. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now, see. Now, everyone, I have for each. In this for each, sir, why did you put this parenthesis? Because inside I want to write HTML. Okay, now in this HTML, what you will do, sir? I will call movie. Every time I'm passing title is equals to V means first time V means first object. Second time V means second object. Third time V means third object. Fourth time V means, but V dot title चाहिए हमको. V नहीं चाहिए. V dot title चाहिए. हो गया. So what you are doing, sir? Go to this array. Go to this array. Go to each and every element using map, and V means value. Every time take the value dot title. Value dot title. What is the title here? Pushpa. The title will be sent as a title to the movie. Movie will receive as a props. Movie will receive as a props. वो props के अंदर title will be there. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? Why are we writing this in parentheses? Because that's the HTML. Map is also for each only. If you remember in JavaScript class, I told map is for each. Difference is map will return, for each will not return. Now देखो here everywhere. Why salary is not printing? Title spelling is wrong. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts, ma? No. But I will give you one small task. Slowly we will do. This is not the first day you will become something bigger things. Let's do it one small thing. Let's go here. Something. Someone is like, what is V? V means value. V means value. Let's go here. Let's do one small task. By doing these tasks, you will understand it. What is the relation between one application, one part? Now, there are 5 people working for a company. Now, I wanted to print 5 people. Okay, 3 people. 3 people are working for a company. I want to print the 3 people details. So I will write it here. 3 people details. 1, 2, 3. Any doubts, my here? Online, any doubts here? Online, any doubts here? Now, some people were asking what is V, what is I, where it is defined. That is why I told you to learn JavaScript in the JavaScript revision. V and I, you will not define them. वो automatically आता है, map देता है उसको. Now, anyway, see this code. Now here, I want to print first time Raj. Second time, something Shekhar. Third time, something Sita. Do I have to create 3 boxes, ma? Online, do I have to create 3 boxes? No. Now imagine This component name is box line. What is this component name? Box line. What is this chota box name? Box. What is this chota box name? Try to create it. Everyone, start it now. Take your pens, take your paper, try it. Try to print this output. Everyone, offline and online, try to print this output. I will show you. I will show you on the here only. Slowly you will understand. Online, whoever said it like they are not getting it, can you please try it once? This one. First box line when component is there, inside that you have another component named box. Huh? Same as array only, same logic. लिखना है, पेपर ले लो, लिखो. Online, if any questions are there also while doing it, you can tell me. Online, if any questions are there also while doing it, you can tell me. If anyone don't know JavaScript map, please learn a map. Map is important. That's why I started with JavaScript revision. Astronomer చెప్పు. ఏ సరే నేను చేస్తాను తర్వాత. No. Offline, everyone try it. If you don't try it, you won't get the problem. When you try it, you will get so many problems. And then you will understand it when I'm doing it. Online also, please, everyone try it, ma. Online, if any doubts are there, you can mention it, ma. Like you are trying it now. Online, are you all trying? Like you stuck anywhere? You stuck anywhere? Tell me. In React.js, we divide the whole thing into small parts. Each part is called one component. Okay. And I created this one into two components. One is chota box is one component. The chota box repeated multiple times. and all things are in one bada one, that is another component. Good. Online Sheikh Yamin, are you getting it, my point, ma? Online Sheikh Yamin, are you getting it? Yeah. Okay, now let me try it. I think you guys already started it. Now I will also start it so that I will tell you, I can tell you where and you are getting it problem and all. Now everywhere see, this is our output. First, how many components are there? How many components are there? Two components are there. How many? Two. If you consider app, it will be three. App ko chhod do. Here two components are there. One is box line. One is, anyone tell me who is parent, who is child? Box line is parent, box is child. Very good. Now let's go here. First, write it here. Function box line. Function box line. And inside this, return inside this div. Any doubts here in this code? Online, are you getting my point, ma? Yeah, I mean, are you getting online? Now this is a simple one. Now in this, what it is returning? First, I need one array. I need one array. Now tell me how many values I need for array? Three values. How many? Const. Const. I will take it like people. Array name is people. You can put any name, anything equals to array. Sir, you can take directly Raj Shekhar this also, but I will try to take always like objects. Okay, that would be good if you'd like to take it. Now here object के अंदर name राज हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट कॉमा ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर नेम शेखर कॉमा ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर नेम सीता. Now how many values are there inside the array? Three values. Three values are objects. Three values are objects के अंदर एक key value is there. What is the key? Name. What is the key? Name. First time, what is name value? Second time, what is name value? Third time, what is name value? Sita. Any doubts? No. Sir, I wanted to return all the name values. So to do this, I am writing braces. Why are you keeping braces? Because in JavaScript, in JSX, if you want to write any dynamic code inside the return, if you want to write any dynamic code inside the return, basically inside HTML, you will put the braces. In this one, I will write the JavaScript code. Movies, sorry, people dot map. People dot map. Map and for each are same. Map and for each are same. They will take one callback function. They will give values to the callback function. They will give values to the callback function. Now I will give here inside this one function is there. Function. Same thing I did earlier also. Earlier I gave callback function. I gave it arrow function. Here I'm giving normal function. Now everyone see this. Online offline, everyone. Tell me how many times this map will run. How many times map will run, ma? 3 times. Why? Because in the array, 3 values are there. Now, always, automatically, this map will give here 2 values. In the function, it will pass 2 values. First one is value. First one is, you can put any variable, not only v. Second one is always, now anyone tell me, map is running 3 times. Okay. First time it is running. What is v value? Wrong. First time it is running. What is v value? Not Raj. First time it is running. What is v value? People are saying name. People are saying Raj. नहीं. पहला बार फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या है एरे में फर्स्ट वैल्यू पूरा ऑब्जेक्ट है फर्स्ट वैल्यू पूरा ऑब्जेक्ट है ना सेकंड वैल्यू भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है v वैल्यू थर्ड वैल्यू भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है सो यू आर सेंडिंग इट ईच देम वैल्यू सर नाउ सर imagine here 20 30 40 20 30 40 imagine 3 values are there now everyone tell me what is first time v value second time what is v value 30 third time what is v value so 3 values are there you are giving 3 values same way I am giving 3 objects so first time first object will be v na second time second object will be v na why people are going for Raj that is wrong because first object आता now if I print here v dot name v dot name और आ जाता now either now here if I print it here console.log v dot name anyone tell me what it will print in the console only Raj will it print only Raj नहीं why name dot Raj रे नहीं पहला बार राज प्रिंट करता पर दूसरी बार भी वर्क रहता है ना तो दूसरी बार क्या प्रिंट करता शेखर तीसरी बार सीता तो 3 टाइम वर्क करता है सिंपल ना सो राज प्रिंट होता शेखर प्रिंट होता सीता प्रिंट होता कोई डाउट है मां नो नाउ सर डू आई वांटेड टू प्रिंट इन कंसोल और प्रिंट इट इन स्क्रीन I want to print on screen na I want to write HTML but sir if you are writing HTML you should not use this curly brace instead what braces you should use parenthesis in this parenthesis I will write it here movie sorry box title v dot name so I am passing box value first time box I am passing title value what is the first time title value I am passing what is the second time title value I am passing so what is the third time title value I am passing third time is what is the value Sita now sir what is this box sir box is another component so देखो यार function box this box will receive props return online whoever not have done the payment already the main class has started today will be the last extended demo you can pay on it ma now go here everyone h1 or h like I will put it something h1 props dot title. Online, everyone. Anyone have any doubts online? Now everyone tell me what will happen now? You will call this box na? Everyone, you will call this box na? Box, what you are passing? What you are passing? Title. Now, props is an object. Object के अंदर title है. तो props dot title print होता. Online, anyone have any doubts? Online, Yasin, is it clear? Now, someone is box is child component here. Correct. Correct. Now, I will give you one more question. Can you try it, ma? I want to print each person age also. Like Raj ka age 28, Shekhar ka age 31, Sita ka age 16. I want to print Raj and age, Shekhar age, Sita age. Tell me where to change. You do it wherever you wanna change it. What is the first thing I have to change? In parent component, na? In parent component, I have to add this ages inside the object, na? Right or not? Do it, Ray. Try it. You try it. Online, I think most people understand it. Now I want you that output, Ray. I did half. You do remaining half. Online, everyone. Oh, two people are sharing same paper. Do one thing. पेपर को फोर पीसेस कट करो. हर इच वाला को एक पेज पेपर. Seriously? नहीं. Tomorrow, if you did not bring the book, na, I will make you write it on your hand. You will become Gajni unnecessarily. Good online, some people are giving answer to me. That is really nice. Sachinarayana, that's good. So, all I have to do is first one, from where the values are coming. Values are coming from here. So, I will change it here. Age add karo. Age. Iska age 28. Iska age 31. इसका एज 16 हो गया. Now, am I passing only here? I am passing only one value, na? I wanted to pass age also, so I will write it here. Age equals to v dot age. V के अंदर age है, ले लो. Now I am passing age also. Here, props is receiving object, na? Now props have two values now, title and age. So how I will print it? Props dot age. See, you will understand the depth of React one by one, slowly. It will make you do the whole app actually nicely. Now you know how to send each time different image and different title. Na? Each time you send different URL. Each time you send it different, title, and you will get different images. Na? Online, is it clear, ma? So you told that JS basics you teach in this. I already taught the JS basics are over, na? We discussed in the demo class only JS basics. If anyone missed the demo classes, you can check it the previous classes. all the demo links were provided already in the comments. Okay, you can check the previous classes where I already explained you the JavaScript basics before I start React. Online, is it clear? Now, now, now I want you to see whatever, listen, whatever the code I'm doing it, I will give you tomorrow GitHub link. Tomorrow I will give you GitHub link. Until tomorrow, like today, you write it in your notes only, code and all, you try to write it only. Tomorrow onwards, every code which I will do or every notes which I will do, you will get it day by day. Okay. Now, till now, anyone have any question in this? Anyone have any question in this? No. Let's go here. Let's do our program also. In our program, I wanted to send here each time different URL. See, same like you are sending name and age. I'm sending title and the URL. So for triple R, I will put triple R ka URL. Whoever did this books one, whoever did other things, you can use it different things now. I will use triple R. I can just take a page, open the image in a new tab. You will get the link. Next, KGF. Next, Salar. Go here. Open. Next. Let's go here. Let's go here. Next. So I got here 4 images. Copy. Paste. Next. For this one, copy. Go here. URL. Paste. So if you know map, you can do this easily. What if I don't know map? You should learn map. Map is a basic thing. Okay, this image is wrong. Sometimes you will get wrong images. So that's bad. I have to take that image one more time. URL. Huh? Okay, URL colon. Good. Now go here. Or next, let's take it here. Let it load. You should get it. See, this one is not at all coming. Wikipedia, it will come. Difference is when you take it an image, it should come something .jpg or something kind of one. Then only it will work. Online, anyone have any doubts? You can tell me, ma. Nikita, I didn't understand your question only. Online, if anyone have any question, you can tell me. See, sir, you did not update the main project in. I already updated ma Nikita. You can check it here actually. I already checked it and it's updated one only. Now, everyone see this? Here I have title and URL. Title and URL. This is also title and URL. Title and URL. Title and URL. Now all titles and URL are inside the movies. Now in movies, I am passing every time title. Na? I will also pass the URL. URL is same example which I did with age. I'm doing it here. v.url. Any doubts? But I should receive that na here. Here I'm receiving props. So props ke andar URL is also there na. So you go here. Props ke andar props dot URL. You go to your project. Did you see the problem? They are coming bigger. So I will give it each one ka thoda height देता हूँ. If you know CSS, you will manage it nicely. $300. Width be 300. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts? Someone is like props can be any other name. Yeah, props can be any another name. But if you give any another name later, if you get confused, don't come to me. That's why I'm saying it props. Okay. Is it clear ma online? Now, next. Sir, every time inside this, now here two components, actually three components are there in this. If you observe clearly in my project, three components are there. This all app component, sorry, this all app component. App component के अंदर movie line के अंदर movie. Every time movie is getting different value, right or not? But movie line is getting same value na? Because for movie line, parent is not sending any value. Is app is sending any value? For app is sending to movie line any value ma? No. But what if I wanted to try that? Each time alag chahiye. Like some okay. This time I wanted this movie. Second time I wanted another movies. Like that you can put it. Each time action movies, kind of romantic movies. You can put it different lines each time. I will try that. App. I will try to print it here. Instead of 9, I will put it here. H2 action H2 horror H2 comedy H2 sci-fi H2 what we can put hmm? Thriller हो गया. Now action horror comedy sci-fi thriller. Okay, but sir, each time you should pass different array na. Am I passing same array? Now here I need to pass different arrays. So how do you pass arrays? Instead of writing array here, now this one ka work ho gaya. Now these two. Now everyone tell me in this two. Everyone tell me in this two. Who is parent? In this two, who is parent? App. That movie line movie वाला हो गया. अभी और एक है app and movie line. Who is parent? App. Who is child? Movie line. Sir, in this you are giving array directly, sir. Don't give array directly. Instead of this, instead of this, write it here, give it here, const action movies equals to I give action movies one array, and I will pass here const movies action movies. So I am passing here action movies, but here you should receive na. How you will receive ma? How the child component will receive the values? Props. How the child will receive? Props. Where you will write it? Props here. So props ke andar, what is the key value? Movies. So you will write it here. Props dot movies. Barabar. Now it comes error. You know what is the error here? Cannot print for undefined. तो पहला बार है ये अच्छा है, इसको मूवीज है, इसको मूवीज नहीं है ना, इसको भी मूवीज नहीं है ना. Like action is okay. Like sorry, I gave for H2. I'm sorry. Why I gave it for H2 ray? See, first time you are having this na. First time you are having this nice. I similarly you should pass. You should pass movies for the horror movies. You should pass it for the next sci-fi movies or something kind of one. So, sir, creating that arrays are difficult to me, so I will use AI. This is the work of AI. This kind of chota works, AI can do this nicely. Now, thanks. Create similar array with real working values for horror movies. I will give this and I will give it. So it will create the similar one. So I will just copy paste that array. See, creating array is not a big deal. Even the child can do. They will go to the internet and they will copy paste the links. So that one AI will do it. See, horror movies title URL. Okay, it gave me so much. I don't want it. I wanted to print only 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 4. हो गया. Copy. Const horror movies. Next. Horror movies आ गया. उसके बाद horror movies means here movies. I'm passing movies. I'm passing the horror movies. Next one. Arey, why I'm giving every time H2 ray? Seriously. Why it should be here? Movies. Horror movies. हो गया. Next. Here also movies. I should create it here comedy movies. Try for comedy movies with array length 4. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Do we need to import the movie? Movies or movies? Are देखो. Here I am writing movies. Here also I am writing movies. दोनों same है ना? It's like name your wish ray. Don't confuse in that names. Copy. Go here. Then Now next, someone is like, I didn't have knowledge on JavaScript. If you are not having a basic knowledge also on JavaScript, you should try it in JavaScript and come to React. But if you are like okay in JavaScript, you can watch my JavaScript revision class, which I done on first day. If you check that one, JavaScript revision, second day I think I did. If you check that class, that is enough for your React. Only those concepts are enough. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Good. Next, try for sci-fi and thriller also. हो गया. Online, if any doubts, you can tell me, ma. Comedy movies. I will write it here, comedy movies. Next, sci-fi. Go here, sci-fi. And this is the way to use the AIs. To make it like Chota works, whatever is there, you should ask. But remaining things, you should think. For example, here, logic is mine, code is mine. Only whatever the logic, whatever the basic data, I just copied it. That was okay, kind of dummy data or basic things. These things anyone can use it. So I got sci-fi and thriller. Movies. Before AI comes also, we used to do same thing. I used to ask the Google. Sci-fi movies. Movies. Thriller movies. Online everyone. Focus here, ma. Online everyone. Focus here. See my output. Okay. Links which they gave are not working. Very good. Most of the links which it gave are not working. So you should remove. It gives so many ray. You should check that and try to print it. It will work actually. For me, it gave me so many things. If you remove these things, it will work. Here, Drishyam 2, here something like Dune Part 2. If I remove these things, it will work. Okay, 5 it gave, which is wrong. I want 4 because I write CSS for that. I don't want to change that CSS. And this images links are not working. That is not our code problem. You can put the images, it will work. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Any doubts? Now today, so many people created beautiful applications and try to scale them into better. Try to scale them into better, like put it nice, kind of like some people put it books, show different books. Okay, you can make that books download also if you use an anchor tag download. Okay, but any website you create, ma, don't create it just for something, sir asked we are creating. No, it should be have some real-time use. Make it 1 hour, 2 hours, put it all the programming books in one particular one using React, and anyone can open any book and can download it. Simple. So people will use it now. Or put it one page where all the some kind of relative things will be useful. So try to put it one simple website for tomorrow, which I will see. Whatever your interests are, bikes or BTS or what, kuch bhi. But I want it using the properties. Props are not over. Props have too much depth, which we will discuss again and again slowly. Like we are learning in basics only. Tomorrow we'll learn state and then we'll go with the class components. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now, what is the flow of components here? In main component, here you put it here movie line. This main component is giving movie line one array. Now this movie line, what it is doing inside that array, each value it is sending it to 111. Here again another 4 components are there. It is so simple. If you can't do it a bigger one, do it chota version. Like how I showed you name and age. I said chota chota karo. Try to print it chota once. Put it more and more nested components. Once you do that, everything will work. Is this clear, ma, online? Online, is it clear? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all. Online, if anyone have any question, you can tell me. Yeah. Online, you can tell your doubts, ma. Offline, you can leave, ma, if no doubts. Online, you can tell the doubts if you have. From tomorrow, link will change, ma. Yes. What is currying, event delegation, and polyfill in JavaScript? In JavaScript, we have that is design patterns. Those are called design patterns. Currying bole to, huh? Code kavala. I, I will give you the code. You can take the screenshots. ये arrays छोड़ दो. 5 arrays छोड़ दो. This is the code for app. Here I called the 5 times movie line. Each time I'm passing properties as movies array. ఏమైందమ్మా? Why? Show run it. Now each time movie line will have this. If you go to movie line, in movie line I passed something like this. This is movie line. Last but not least, this movie line. Last but not least, movie. Run it with our command prompt, ma. इसके अंदर जाके रन करो. Try it. Where are you running, Ray? Inside second app, na? Inside second app, there is another thing, second app. Again, click CD second app. You created like that. Now run it. Huh? Hmm? Const action. టైటిల్ URL ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇదేమో కాన్సాక్షన్ పంపిస్తుంది. ఇది ఇక్కడ తీసుకుని అందులో ఉన్న టైటిల్ ని URL ని చైల్డ్ కి పంపిస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ టైటిల్ URL ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. But online people are asking it like, yeah, I mean, you can unmute yourself, ma. Let me give it the option. Yeah, I mean, you can unmute.
Sir, I'm audible to you, sir.
Yes,
Sir, sir, your voice is not clear to me, Prasad, sir.
yes. Tell me, ma.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇప్పుడు జావా స్క్రిప్ట్‌లో మీరు ఏదైతే చెప్పారో నాదంతా క్లియర్‌గా అర్థమైంది సార్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇప్పుడు స్క్రిప్ట్‌లో నేనేమైనా చేస్తున్నానంటే ఇండెక్స్‌లో నేను మెయిన్ ఫైల్, సీఎస్ఎస్ ఫైల్ ఇండెక్స్‌లో నేను రాసుకొని నేను ఎప్పుడైతే నా ఇండెక్స్ ఫైల్‌ని నేను బ్రౌజర్‌లో ఓపెన్ చేస్తానో నా కోడ్ అంతా కనిపిస్తది కదా సార్. వెన్ కమ్స్ టు జావా స్క్రిప్ట్‌లో అయితే. ఇప్పుడు నాకు మొత్తం మీరు ఏదైతే స్క్రిప్ట్ రాసారో నాకు అదంతా క్లియర్‌గా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్. నేను ఎక్కడ కన్‌ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నానంటే, ఇప్పుడు మన మెయిన్ ఫైల్స్‌కి, కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఫైల్‌కి ఒకటికి ఒకటి ఎలా కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి? ఎలా ఐ మీన్ హౌ దే ఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇంటర్నల్‌గా అదొక్కటి చిన్నది నాకు అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
చెప్తాను చూడు. ఇప్పుడు
మెయిన్ యాప్
ఉంది కదా, చూడు. మీకు
సార్
ఎప్పుడైనా
చెప్పండి.
సరే కోడ్ బ్రౌజర్ లో రన్ అయితే index.html రన్ అయితే
అవును సార్.
index.html ఒక div id రూట్ ఉంది చూడు.
అవును సార్.
ఇది ఒక ఎంటీ div. ఇప్పుడు index.html ఏ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కనెక్ట్ అయింది? main.jsx కనెక్ట్ అయింది.
అవును సార్. ఇక్కడ కింద కనెక్ట్ అయింది.
ఇప్పుడు
అవును సార్.
main.jsx కి వెళ్దాం. ఈ main.jsx ఏం చేసిందంటే యాప్ అనే కాంపోనెంట్ ని తీసుకెళ్లి ఆ div ఏదైతే ఐడి రూట్ అని ఉందో index.html లో ఆ ఐడి రూట్ లో ఈ యాప్ ని పెట్టింది.
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్.
మెయిన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే యాప్ కాంపోనెంట్ ని తీసుకెళ్లి index.html లో పెడుతుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే.
ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా యాప్ లో ఉన్నది ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే కదా index.html వస్తుంది.
అవును సార్. మెయిన్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇండెక్స్‌లో పెట్టింది అందుకు.
పెట్టింది. ఇప్పుడు
ఆ!
యాప్ లోపల ఏముంది? మూవీ లైన్ ఉంది.
ఆ!
మూవీ లైన్ లో ఏముంది?
మూవీ లైన్‌లో ఆహ్, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది కదా సార్! ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తే ఆ
చూడు.
ఫైల్ ఇటొస్తదా?
వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ యాప్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది కదా, యాప్ లో మూవీ లైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మూవీ లైన్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. మూవీ
ఆ!
లైన్ లోపల మూవీ ఉంది కాబట్టి మూవీ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
ఇలా
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఇదంతా మనం ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంటే ఫైల్స్ అనేవి ఇటొస్తున్నాయి కదా సార్!
వస్తున్నాయి అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి ఈ మూవీ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేసి ఇందులో ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇంపోర్ట్
ఆ!
చేసుకుని ఇక్కడ రాసుకున్నాం. తర్వాత ఈ
ఆ!
మూవీ లైన్ ని కూడా ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేశాను. చేసి
అవును.
ఈ యాప్ లో ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను.
హ్మ్. అదే సార్. ఓకే సార్. అట్లయితే మనం ఎన్ని ఫైల్స్ కావాలంటే అలా నెస్టెడ్‌గా పెట్టుకొని ఇంపోర్ట్, ఎక్స్‌పోర్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఫైల్స్ అనేవి పిలుచుకుంటా ఉంటున్నారు. అంతే కదా సార్?
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు నీకు నార్మల్ HTML లాంగ్వేజ్ లో చెప్పాలంటే ఒక HTML ఉందనుకో,
అవును సార్.
HTML కి ఓ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కనెక్ట్ అయింది.
అవును సార్. సోర్స్
ఈ
యూజ్ చేసుకొని, స్క్రిప్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను.
కనెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఏం చేస్తానంటే నేనేం చేస్తాను తెలుసా? ఈ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లోపల ఎక్స్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ ని కాల్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్. కాల్
ఎక్స్
చేస్తాను.
అనేది ఇంకో జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లోపల ఉంది.
ఓకే. ఇంకో సెకండ్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇంకో
సెకండ్ జావా
ఫైల్.
స్క్రిప్ట్ లో ఉంది. ఆ,
అవును సార్.
ఈ ఎక్స్ లోపల వై కాల్ చేశా.
ఓకే సార్.
వై అనేది ఇంకో జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లో ఉంది,
అవును సార్. వేరే ఫైల్‌లో. ఓకే.
JS2.
ఆ!
ఇక్కడ జెడ్ అనేది ఉంది.
ఆ!
ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా ఇప్పుడు ఈ జెడ్ అనేదే కదా ఈ HTML లో ప్రింట్ అయింది.
అవును సార్. అవును.
అదే ఇక్కడ జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏం
ఓకే.
చేస్తుందంటే ఈ HTML లోపల యాప్ ఉంది.
ఆ!
యాప్ లోపల మూవీ లైన్ ఉంది.
ఓకే సార్.
మూవీ లైన్ లోపల మూవీ ఉంది. ఈచ్
అదే.
ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాంపోనెంట్.
ఓకే. ఈచ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ ఎ కాంపోనెంట్. ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఆబ్వియస్లీ.
హ్మ్. ఓకే సార్. అర్థమైంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు అదొక్క చిన్న కన్‌ఫ్యూజన్‌తో నేను కన్‌ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నాను. నాకు మొత్తం స్క్రిప్ట్ క్లియర్‌గా ఉంది.
ఓకే. ఓకే. అది ట్రై చేయి వస్తది. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్. సరే సార్. థాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
ఆ!
Venkat, you can pass the values from child to parent also, which I will tell you tomorrow.